If you are using Google Assistant, but the voice command, "Hey Google," it's not working, let me show you how you can fix this. So first of all, you will have to just start by opening Google Play Store, and you have to search for official Google application and simply update it. You have to get the latest version, and this time you can also go for this Google application and simply check out if you turn it on. So I mean, if you turn on Google Assistant, but also if you turn on voice match. So you have to be sure that you turn it on right here. And you can simply go back. Now we can also check out the languages. So as you can see here, I got the English. So everything's fine. Now let's find out. It's almost finished. So just wait for this last update process, and now we will be able to actually go forward. Now we got installation process. It's updating in the background. You can additionally enable automatic updates to get this application up to date every time. And now let's say, "Hey Google," "Okay Google." As you can see right now, it is working. So that's how we can actually fix this.